So finally, we have more or less a combination of all the previous use cases. If you have the right edge computing capabilities in place, you can use it as a generic message broker for all your event-driven integration needs that you have on the factory floor. So whether it's machine data or other systems that you want to connect, you can still use edge computing as a way of connecting these different systems together. So it doesn't have to be machine data that is your input, even though that has been the most common as we've seen in these use cases. It could be that you just want to connect two different systems on or in your facility. Maybe you want to connect your ERP system with your CRM system, which has nothing to do with the machines itself, but it's still something that you can handle with edge computing. Based on that, it's more or less the same functionality that you need. You need a way of getting data from one system, do something with the data, maybe just reformat it or add some logic, and then deliver a result into another system. It's the same kind of operation that we do in all these cases. It doesn't have to be machine data.